I consider, for me, it's a very important part of the house. You need one. If you can have one, have it. A garden room, as I call it, more than a conservatory, it's my most important thing. The minute I move into a house, if it hasn't got one, then I put a garden room on the back. I decided to go up and visit Conservatory Lane, and they were great up there, and they showed me round, and when I saw the one that they have up there, and I thought, well, yes, that's good for me, I'll go with it, and it was reasonable, so I was happy with that. They're good to deal with. They're a small company. I wouldn't, I don't deal with big companies. I like to deal with smaller companies. I mean, everybody likes it, it proves the value of the house like mad, because basically it can be used for anything. But I think it's great actually for dining, on a starry night, just sit out there with a glass roof. I saw them advertised, and I saw that they did a unique where they don't dig and make a big mess with loads of digging out foundations, and I didn't need planning permission for this one. And I thought, this is going to be simple, it can be done in a few days. I really no problems with it. It's been a really good investment.